Well, howdy ho, it's me, it's Triple T. I'm back again. We're beyond the fridge, we're beyond life, we're beyond ourselves. So, this is part 2 of Subway, and I definitely want to give a shout out to my sister and to my niece, who apparently yesterday was Uncle's Day, and they sent me a gift card for Skip. Now, Skip is a piece of shit sideways. Pardon my French, if that is French. They never listen to anything. Every time. It's always something wrong with this app, Skip the Dishes. I specifically stayed every time to Buzz 501, apartment 501, leave outside my apartment door, buzzing me and then leaving it in the lobby is not delivery because I have to go get it. Piece of shit sideways. So I messaged them and I said, hey, I will pay for my food, but I'm not paying for the delivery tip. Sorry. Like, follow the instructions. God, Christ all fucking mighty. How hard is it to follow instructions? So, what do I got here? This looks pretty good. I had this resting in the fridge now. That's the weird thing about Subway is subs should be cold. And I think this is the Italian BMT. Here we go. Let me get these toppings down more inside. Craving sandwiches. This is like. Wish I had some hot sauce to throw on here. Still very good though. Oh. Now I also got a cold cut sub. Because Mama needs a full day's meal, right? Y'all remember when Subway had a lot of bread choices? Now it's only white, whole wheat, this one, Italian herb and cheese, and they got flatbread, which I've never tried. But I remember once upon a time they had a lot of bread choices. Right? Am I wrong? Where's the bread choices, Mama? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh. I should probably download the Subway app again because they often have deals. I think I deleted it to free up room on my app. Oh my god, guys, that was so good. Cut. I'm gonna put this one aside. Oh. I'm gonna re-download their app. I bet you they got a deal on. And it's only if you like go and pick it up. Okay, so I put mustard, which I don't usually ask for. Whatever their house dressing is, which I don't usually ask for. And mayonnaise. Oh my god. Oh wow, this looks so good. Oh my god, guys, this looks incredible. Oh my god. Yes, that's what you want a sub to look like. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yes. They're not skimpy on anything. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. Oh. 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 Come right aboard me. Mm. 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 I don't think I've ever ordered. I do like mustard, but usually my standard is chipotle sauce and a squirt of mayo. And if they have hot sauce, I'll take a dash of that too. But I don't know, I think hot sauce is like an in-store thing only. I don't know why they do that on these apps. Certain things you can't get. Like jalapenos. I would love to have some jalapenos. Mm. Mm. I do love a good cold cut sandwich. Mm. Doesn't need to be warm to eat it. That's what I love about it. A sandwich. Mm. Okay, y'all. I am fuller than a nun's vagina, so I think I'm going to peace out on this one. We've still got 2 6-inches left. Or 2 foot longs. Because you can call me by my side name, Picky Saunders. Catch me on the next one.